So I
Yeah.
went to the first workshop. It was in West Palm Beach. Erik was there. Paul Kelly was teaching it. And so the class was phenomenal. It was unlike anything I'd ever seen. And I quickly became a workshop junkie. I went to class after class, just like, oh, that's a great technique. That's a great technique. And started practicing a lot.
Yeah. Yeah. And and there you go, down the track. How many years ago was that?
That was 2016, so 9 years ago.
9 years. Yeah. And here you are teaching.
Yeah. I mean, I didn't stop. I started studying, and I got to be so frequent in the workshops that Tammy Mccue,
Yeah.
she was like, you know what? You should be a TA. And I was like, oh no, I don't know if I could do that. I'm not that good. No. She's like, I think you would make a really good TA. So
Yeah.
sure enough, I tried TAing and I absolutely loved it. And that was, I don't know, probably like another kind of drug, because now I could go to all the workshops that I wanted to, right?
Hey.
For free, yeah. And at one point, Tammy was like, and I have to give her a lot of credit too, because she's really the one who supported me and pushing me into doing this. And
Yeah.
because I didn't know that I had it in me to do it, but she really saw that. And she gave me an opportunity to teach one afternoon, for a little segment, just doing a demo on some technique. And I got up there. I was really nervous, and some guy in the class was trying to goof me up and asking a question, and it he was wrong, I was right, so it got me kerfluffled, and I thought the whole thing was terrible. And afterwards, she was like, "You were amazing."
Yeah.
And I was like, "You know what? I really felt like I did a good job, and I really liked that." So then she let me do it again and again, and before I knew it, I was hooked. I'm like, "Okay, I could absolutely be an instructor in this."